Hi everyone, nice to see you in the new year of 2022. Right, I'm going to continue this because a lot of people, and there's been many, have been writing to Tesla, look at this, and they've been sending in complaints about the V11, saying it is not good enough. We've lost a lot of things. So in this video, you will learn some shortcuts that I know will help you. And we're going to look at this right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
The first one that people didn't know happens is with your new home link now, it is normally on the screen just here, green. But what you can see now is it comes on the bottom here. And if we press it, you can get it on, but it'll go. So that is the first one. HomeLink now appears in this little menu on the bottom of the screen, which is really good. And I need your support. Yes, you. Just hit that subscribe button now and you'll become one of my followers. Let's move on to the next part of this video. So on your stalk, which is here, normally to get to your lights has been a bit of a problem. You would normally press the little car button, go into controls, and then your lights adjustments would be up here, which is a real pain, as you know, because it's not good. But now if you get your little stalk here, there you go, and you've got your lights there, look, you can play about with them, turn them all off, and then you've got your auto here and off lights there. We'll leave it on auto, and that takes care of that little thing. Right, now a lot of people have also said if I want to get to my wipers, you have to again go into your settings here and press, which is a pain, I know, controls, and all your wiper settings are there, and that is quite a pain when you're driving. Equally, you can do this. You could just press the button on the stalk. So here's your stalk, you just press it in once and they appear here, and you can have your first control, second, third, fourth. So with the wipers, all you need to say is increase wipers and it goes up one speed. So what I mean is this: increase wipers. So it's gone up to the first one. Increase wipers. Increase wipers. And if you look, it's gone up to the third one. Increase wipers. Once it's done that, it's up to top speed. And you've got your auto and you're back to where you should be. And that takes care of the wipers. So from here, all you do if you want to know your tyre pressure is you say open service settings, and there you go, your tyre pressure is there. It shows me that I'm 42 pounds on that one and 41 on all the others, so I'm guessing I need to actually put my tyres up and do that. So many more videos coming out in 2022, yes, and I need you. If you're not one of my followers already, just hit that subscription button now and notification bell. You'll get all the latest videos when they come out. Anyway, hope you had a great time and a great holiday, great start to the new year. You take care, and don't forget, I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Oops.